Seasky Tooling is a professional China plastic molding manufacturer. We offer injection mold manufacturing and plastic molding manufacturing for medical device, biomedical, telecommunications, electronics, computer, construction, automotive, consumer products, and so on. We have more than 19 years experience for injection molding and model manufacturing. Our factory comply with ISO 9001, 2015. We work from the prototype manufacturing, model making to injection molding. We work with more than 300 customers in the world for their product development. We join into your product development process to optimize your product design for production. This will save the product development cost and production cost. Also, it will short the product development lead time. Seasky Tooling have class 100,000 ISO 8 clean room for medical plastic molding and transplant plastic molding. Seasky Tooling offer 1 gram to 1 kilogram plastic product injection molding. Also, we invest in new machines and customize manufacturing process to meet new customers' needs every year. Before the quotation, Seasky Tooling will work closely together with you to inquire your needs to offer affordable price and choose right manufacturing process. Seasky Tooling have designed for manufacturing process to analyze your plastic product design and help you to optimize it. Except for this, we also have model flow simulation to optimize plastic product design and model design. Seasky Tooling have in-house model manufacturing. Also, we have latest CNC machine, ADM machine, and CM measurement process to assure our model manufacturing quality and lead time. Also, we have very stable model manufacturing team to assure our model making quality and lead time. Most of our model makers work in Seasky Tooling more than 15 years. Let us work together to shorten your plastic product development lead time, reduce the plastic product development cost, and have reliable production and service for you. Contact us now. We will reply you in 8 hours or even 1 hour.